Got it out now, it just pops out of there. 2 screws. Had to get in there with the box wrench because that corner of the battery compartment there blocks the extension for the socket. Get everything ready. Don't forget to shake the ATF Type 2.0, shake it well, and fill it up. All right, we've got all 5 quarts in, as you can see there. So now I'm gonna put these back on with that vent that's down there, and just make sure that this longer one is the one that's going to go towards the corner of the battery box. You might have to start it by hand and do it by hand until you get to the end, and then just make it tool tight with just an old box wrench is what I used. This one you can get to with the extension and the ratchet. Once it gets up to temperature, go ahead and cycle through all the gears for about 3 seconds each. Don't forget to hit the S, D/S, and then cycle through those 2 gears. So we've gotten the level plug back in. It's a little bit tough to get to. You're gonna have to just put it in with your fingers and then tool tight with the ratchet. I don't know the torque spec on that, but I would just say tool tight because you can't really get a torque wrench in there. So next we're gonna put the shields on. Remember, the silver goes first and then the black plastic goes next. And then we'll get up top and reinstall the engine cover and different pieces of plastic.